Planning to hit the beach, the lake, or maybe try paddleboarding with your dog? Then a good life jacket isn't just a cute add-on, it's absolutely essential. Even strong swimmers can get tired, slip off a board, or disappear from view in deep water. So today we're breaking down 7 of the best dog life jackets out there right now. You'll find all the links down in the video description. If one of them feels like the right fit, you know exactly where to go. Let's dive in! Let's kick things off with the Outward Hound Granby Splash, a true staple in the dog safety world. This jacket focuses on comfort and function without going overboard on extras. It's lightweight, so it won't weigh your dog down, and the slim design gives them tons of freedom to move, whether they're swimming, running on the beach, or climbing back into a kayak. It's got reflective accents and bright colors that boost visibility from far away, and the top grab handle is secure enough for most rescue needs. Sizing here is excellent, ranging from extra small all the way to extra large. Whether you've got a tiny Chihuahua or a big lab, this one likely fits. It dries quickly and dogs adjust to it fast, which makes it perfect for full-day adventures or energetic swimmers. If your dog loves chasing toys into the lake or needs to wear a jacket for hours, this one's a smart pick. Next up is the Sunfura Dog Life Jacket Shark. And yeah, it looks just as fun as it sounds. The shark fin on top adds a playful twist, but this jacket is more than just cute. It's got thick padding that provides strong flotation, helping your dog stay upright in the water even if they're a weaker swimmer. It wraps securely around the belly and chest, dries super quickly under the sun, and has a strong grab handle for quick retrieval. Dogs typically get used to wearing it very quickly. This model is best suited for small to medium-sized dogs, French bulldogs, pugs, corgis, because its compact fit works especially well on shorter frames. Larger dogs might find it a bit snug or too structured. But if you're heading to the pool or throwing a doggy beach party, this one brings serious safety with plenty of style. Now, if you're taking your dog into rougher conditions, whitewater, big lakes, paddleboarding, the EasyDog DFD X2 Boost is a serious upgrade. This thing is built for performance. It's got dual flotation zones, super rugged fabric, and reflective trim that wraps almost fully around. What stands out most is how it distributes buoyancy without sacrificing your dog's mobility. They can swim naturally while still getting max support across the chest and sides. The top handle is super strong, one of the best in this roundup, and the straps adjust smoothly for a perfect fit. This one is ideal for medium to large breeds, especially dogs built for strength and endurance. Think retrievers, shepherds, labs. It's a bit too structured for the tiniest breeds, but for active, water-loving dogs, it's a fantastic match. Definitely more of an investment, but the durability and design justify it. For something more affordable that still delivers, the Mallier Dog Life Jacket is a solid pick. It has decent buoyancy thanks to its foam paneling, and while the materials aren't quite as premium as Roughwear or EasyDog, it actually performs really well for casual use. The visibility is good with bright coloring, and it fits snugly without sliding around. It dries fast, and the handle holds up fine during normal use, though it's not made for heavy-duty rescues. The sizing is best suited for small to medium-sized dogs, from pugs up to border collies. Larger dogs might find the fit a little restrictive. Think of this one for lake trips, backyard pools, or splashing around on vacation. It's a great choice if you want a reliable safety layer without spending a fortune. One thing to watch is sizing. Definitely go one size up if your dog is in between measurements. Moving on, the VIVA GLORY Dog Life Jacket hits that sweet spot between sporty and practical. It's got a streamlined design, breathable mesh around the belly, and quick-release buckles that make it super easy to put on and take off. What I love is that it doesn't look or feel bulky, but it still keeps dogs afloat easily. Great for both play and rest in the water. Compared to the Sunfura, this one's more subtle in style but more refined in construction. It also dries fast and the material feels soft against the skin, which helps dogs get used to wearing it quickly. Vivaglory's sizing is broad. It goes from extra small all the way up to extra large, so whether you've got a tiny terrier or a big golden retriever, this one will likely fit. Just double check those chest measurements. Then there's the Roughwear Dog Life Jacket, the heavy hitter of the bunch. This thing is practically made for adventure. It has premium buoyancy foam that wraps under the belly and along the torso, giving strong support without limiting motion. The handle is ultra secure, reinforced with extra stitching, and it holds up even with big dogs. One of the standout features here is the adjustability. Every strap locks down firmly but comfortably. If you're heading out on a kayak, sailing trip, or long swim in unpredictable waters, this is the jacket to trust. Sizing is excellent for medium to very large breeds, labs, shepherds, even Newfoundlands. Smaller dogs might find it a bit heavy, but if your dog is on the bigger side and you want total peace of mind, rough wear delivers. Finally, we've got the EasyDog DFD, the original model that's a little lighter and simpler than the X2 Boost. It's still got great flotation thanks to its thick panels, and it's easy to slip on. The grab handle is well built, the reflective trim helps in low light, and the fit feels comfortable even during long wear. Compared to the Boost, it trades some of the ruggedness for everyday ease, but it still holds its own in the water. This one works well for medium to large dogs, anywhere from a beagle up to a golden retriever. It's perfect if you're mostly going to lakes or calm beaches and want a reliable life jacket without overcomplicating things. Let's make choosing easy. Here's the quick breakdown. If you want something comfortable and reliable for just about any dog size, the Outward Hound Granby Splash is the most versatile. It's lightweight, bright, and great for all-day use, especially if your dog's new to wearing a jacket. For smaller dogs and big personality, the Sunfura Shark adds style and solid flotation. It's fun, fast-drying, and works best for small to medium breeds splashing in calmer water. Heading into serious adventure territory? The EasyDog X2 Boost and Rough Wear are top tier. Built for medium to extra large dogs, they're ideal for paddleboarding, boating, or rougher water. Durable, secure, and super supportive. On a tighter budget? The Maliere is a great pick for small to medium dogs. It's basic but safe, perfect for vacation trips or backyard pool days. Want something sleek, breathable, and size flexible? Viva Glory fits dogs from tiny to large and is great for warm weather swims, docks, and paddleboards. And for a no-fuss dependable option for medium to large dogs, the EasyDog DFD gives you reliable flotation in a quick, easy-to-use design. If you're unsure, go with comfort and fit first. Your dog should feel secure but still be able to move freely. Always check the sizing guide carefully and measure your dog's chest before buying. Remember, even strong swimmers need a jacket in open water or when you're far from shore. A good fit means less stress, better safety, and a much more enjoyable day outside. You'll be glad you brought one the first time your dog slips off the board and you lift them back up with one hand. Also think about drying time and visibility. Jackets that dry quickly and come in bright colors make a big difference during long days by the water. And don't overlook the handle strength. It's your lifeline in an emergency, especially on boats or paddleboards. Bottom line, match the jacket to your dog's size, your kind of adventure, and how often you'll use it. All the links are in the description. Grab the one that fits best and don't forget to subscribe for more honest gear breakdowns. See you on the water.